Good morning, investors! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jason, property specialist of Megaworld Corporation, and in this video, I'm just going to update you with the construction of Uptown Arts Residence. So for those who already got a unit here in Uptown Arts Residence, by the way guys, that's Uptown Arts Residence. And for those na hindi pa and willing to invest or get a property here in Uptown Bonifacio, we still have few units in Uptown Arts Residence. So, as you can see, nag-top off na po yung building. 45 floors are already done. So, nasa finishing touches na po yung Uptown Arts Residence. So, by next year, magsa-start na yung turnover ng lower floors up to the highest residential floor, which is 45 floors. So, here's an update for you guys. And if you're interested, feel free to message me. If you want to get a studio to 3-bedroom units, there's still available units in Uptown Arts Residence. Almost done na yung project. 45 floors are complete. So, magkakaroon dyan ng retail spaces. Tapos sa lobby, of course, yung grand lobby ni Uptown Arts Residence. Exciting. Kasi next year, magto-turnover na yung mga lower floors. So, excited ako to turn over this top-notch condo by Megaworld here in Uptown Bonifacio. So, salipan pa natin yung nagaganap na construction. Tara! And that's a quick construction update of Uptown Arts Residence. So for those who are interested also to get a unit here, we still offer no spot down payment or with spot down payment for more discounts. And if you're willing to move in next year in this beautiful condominium, well, feel free to message me through my contact details provided on the description below. So again, this is Jason of Megaworld Corporation. Invest with the best. See you on my next vlog.